Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So few things we have unwrapped, still few things are left out. Let's continue it. So very first of all, again I'll go into this and let's take unwrap UVW. So let's take unwrap UVW modifier. Now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll select this and overall select it, open UV editor, unfold mapping, pack UVs, let's click OK, press M, let's go into this. Alright, isolate this. Let's again go into this and give unwrap UVW. Let's select the whole thing and let's give quick planar map. So let's select the edges, and now what I'll be doing over here is like, so I'll select this, let's select the edges, and open UV editor. I'll break it, select the polygons, quick planar map, I'll drag it out, again break this, select the polygons, quick planar map, oh sorry, I'm just peeling it, select this polygon, quick planar map, and select the edges, let's say break, select the polygons and say quick peel. So I can easily peel this, pack UVs. Let's go into the material, assign the checkers. So we'll be doing the same over here. I'll mirror it, copy it in y-axis, so I think we have unwrapped this all over here. Okay, this is left out, so convert to poly over here. Again I'll go into this and let's give unwrap UVW. Select the polygons, quick planar map, quick planar map, and let's break it and say quick peel. Let's go into tools and say pack UVs. So I'll go into the material and I'll just assign the checkers over here. select this, unwrap UVW, quick planar map, quick planar map, so select this, quick peel, select the polygons, tools, pack UVs, so let's just assign this. Now I'll just copy this on the other end, so it's like, let's just select this, or we can first we'll just set up the IDs, then we'll put it. So if we have already unwrapped it, let's not unwrap it again. I'll just delete this and I'll copy this over here in this way. Now this part is left out. The only thing over here is the chains and all this. So this is a single element. So let's give unwrap UVW. That's very quick, not a problem. That's already cut out. You can see this. So let's select just the polygons, all, open UV editor and say quick peel. That's it. And isolate it. Similarly, it's all unwrapped. So already it's all unwrapped. So we can just group this if needed. I can easily group it. So that is going to be much quicker. Convert to editable poly. Again, I'll go into this and let's give unwrap UVW. Quick planar map. Drag this out. Select the edges. Break. Select the polygons. Pack UVs. Alright. Okay, we'll just unwrap this one part. So we already taken this. So what I'll do is I'll just take a copy of it. I'll drag it over here, push it up. I'll slightly rotate it. So just drag this out, mirror it in x-axis in this one. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.